Welcome to Cambridge Trading. Today I will tell you all kind of industrial sewing machine, industrial spare part. The most senior technician is Abdul Ghani Shah. He will tell you our shop located in Ajman, UAE. If anybody need any domestic machine, any industrial machine, feel free to contact us. First of all, I am telling you something about Mr. Ghani for Cambridge Trading. Speak.
क्या बोलेगा?
Cambridge.
बंद करो.
Why are you laughing, Mr. Ghani?
क्या
Just tell me
बोलेगा?
about Cambridge Trading. How do you feel in Cambridge Trading? Is it good for? Is it good for services? Good for sale? Good for purchase? For industrial sewing machine? You are the most senior and spending too much time in UAE. So tell me about Cambridge Trading, our services. What do you think, please?
क्या बोलेगा? मैं
कुछ तो बोलो भाई.
सलाम अलैकुम everybody. Salam alaikum. I am long time working in garment industry 1980 in Bangladesh, but after 1983 I am go out country Qatar. After I am coming 1997 in Ajman, Dubai, Sharjah, working long time working. Now already I am trusted general. So now our service very good, and any problem, technical problem, we are solved with guarantee. Any embroidery machine, garment machinery, and finishing section, any boiler, iron, and everything, we are solved with guarantee. Okay, thank you.
Okay, my friend, you can also check steel sewing machine in our shop. If any machine, you will come our shop. Feel free to contact us. Our shop in UAE, Cambridge Trading. You can also search Google Map. Just write Cambridge Trading. Now I can check all kind of industrial sewing machine. This is sewing machine. This is scissors, all kind of scissors. This is a light for sewing machines, overlock machines, picot machines, and also button attach machine. For most is Jin. Jin is a juki produced Jin company. This machine is used for leather, car seat. My friends, you can check all kind of industrial and domestic machine in our shop.